You know what I don't like? I don't like it when George cries, which is basically all the time. It's annoying. But that's okay, because since George likes to cry, I'm going to make him cry with a funny prank.
George, it's almost time for bed. Go to your room and I will come to fetch you.
Peppa had realized that George would be coming in his room soon, so she had to hide so she wouldn't get caught.
I'm going to hide behind this chair. I've got to hurry.
George walked into his room and didn't see Peppa. He was about to get onto his bed, but suddenly, he saw a big spider on his bed. This really scared George, so he began to cry. Daddy Pig heard George cry. He ran into George's room. He saw George and he also saw Peppa laughing. Daddy Pig knew Peppa had something to do with this, so he got angry. Peppa, little pig, what on earth did you do?
Okay. I put a spider in George's bed because I wanted to play a prank on him and make him